Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Veep Divel. Remember when you watched High School DxD for the first time? Everyone started watching it for the oppai moments, but stayed for the plot. Yup, today I am bringing you guys a doujinshi which will give you a similar kind of feeling. Hentai doujinshis has become recently famous because of the few famous doujinshis that have came out recently. And since that time we all got addicted to good storylines and plots with some action scenes of doujinshi. So without any further ado, let's start with our video about the doujinshi we are gonna talk about in this video. The doujinshi name is Ane Naru Mono. The story follows the tale of Yu. Since the death of his parents, young Yu has suffered a lot from the neglect and abuse at the hands of his adoptive relatives, who leave him to his own resources to survive. Fortunately, a girl named Chiyo comes to his aid and offers to take care of Yu while acting as his older sister. However, Chiyo is not what she seems, and Yu knows all too well that her intentions are too far from innocent. In exchange for her generosity, Yu must supply Chiyo with his life potential. Ane Naru Mono is held in a quite high regards, to the point of it being the highest rated doujinshi on MyAnimeList. But is it that really amazing? The answer is yes, it's really good and even great. The story of Ane Naru Mono is both dark and wholesome. Yu is a young boy and his parents were both killed in an accident. From then on, he is being moving between his relatives' homes, and eventually a demon Chiyo comes to help him. She acts as his ideal older sister. Because Yu has a crush on her, Chiyo is required to gaze Yu's semen. This acts as a way for her to become stronger and stay as a demon, but also partly because this is what Yu wants. This was a genius way of tying two of these aspects of Ero manga together. The main character of Ane Naru Mono is okay. She is a stereotypical shota for the most part. His past makes him a broken person on the inside, though this is often isn't referred too often with the Ero manga. He's bit of a pushover, as most shotas are, but his semen output is significantly more than the average shota. Chiyo is a top tier older sister. She was made to be the perfect older sister according to the Yu's test. She takes perfect care of Yu, like doing cleaning the house, doing the cooking and everything. In addition to that, she is hot as hell. In the manga, she acts in two different ways. One of them is possessive, overly caring older sister archetype, and the other is gentle, loving older sister archetype. Chiyo can fit both roles perfectly. This is a further demonstration in a segment where Chiyo ends up having both forms split, which causes Yu to be unknowingly every day with which Chiyo he will be interacting with. The interaction between Yu and Chiyo are often very sweet. It is very nice to see two of them grow close to each other through the span of the Ero manga. The art in this manga is magnificent. There's so much detail drawn into each panel. Every single line in the manga is wonderful, as if they were drawn with so much thought put into it. The lines used are very soft and the variations of thickness of the lines is very well thought out. The use of the color and the shading is also really good. It helps to make all the scenes where it's supposed to be gentle and feel gentle, and more impactful movements stands out really well. The lighting is also really good at setting the tone and emphasizing what's going on in the manga. Overall, this is a very well done Ero manga that deserves all the recognition that it has received. It is very also worth checking out the ecchi version of this work. Part of this manga is mystery and anticipation. I feel like Ane Naru Mono perfectly executes these two elements. In addition, it makes an already worn out, overused category of anime new and interesting without any relatively new themes. Ane Naru Mono perfectly blends its art style with the atmosphere around it. Every chapter you can see how their relationship develops, and every time more and more of their backstory is revealed. Although there is a lot of cliches and a lot of fan service, they don't interfere with the development of the story though. In fact, they are often used as a stepping stone for the later development. If you want a reader who wants a good art, a new interesting romance, or a slow build with a common pretext of the anime tropes in your next read, you should give Ane Naru Mono a try. And I think that concluded the review about this manga. And if you have already read this manga, then make sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And again, if you haven't read this manga, I am 100% gonna recommend you guys to read this one. And yeah, that was for the video guys. So if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.